ये आगरा जो है ये मजीद वर्कआउट होता रहे। थैंक यू। बड़े जहाँ होते हैं छोटे कम बोलते हैं। Munir is not only son of my eldest sister, but his father was my personal friend as well, who passed away when he was probably mid-30s. He was mid-30s, yeah? And
birthday का गाना